Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about some questions of definite integration by using properties of exercise 7.11. So look at fifth question. X plus 2 modulus limit is minus 5 to 5. We have to find out integration of this function and limit is minus 5 to 5. So look at this part. This is modulus function. Firstly we will simplify it and then we will take integration of this. Here we will use third property. We can in third property fx dx limit is a to b. C is the point in between a and b. So fx dx limit a to c plus c to b fx dx. We can write this is the sum of these two integration where c is the breaking point. Fx dx integration of fx limit is a to c plus integration of fx limit is c to b. We can write this as in the sum of these two. Clear? So x plus 2 modulus we have to simplify it. So firstly we will check that where it is 0. So x plus 2 is 0, x is equal to minus 2. So it is 0 at minus 2 and minus 2 lies between minus 5 and 5. So minus 5 और 5 के बीच में minus 2 lie कर रहा है. So we will take the limit in first minus 5 to minus 2 and other one minus 2 to 5. So x plus 2 को चेक करेंगे कि ये नेगेटिव है या पॉजिटिव है. So minus 2 से minus 5 से minus 2 के बीच में you can take any number. Suppose minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2 it is minus 2. Minus 2 modulus is 2. So we can write is minus of minus 2. So it is minus 2. This is x plus 2. This is x plus 2 and this is x plus 2. So it is minus of x plus 2. Minus of x plus 2. So we can write minus here. Same minus 2 to 5. We can take any value. Suppose 4, 3. Suppose I am taking 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 modulus is 5. So it is positive. From minus 2 to 5 it is always positive. Then its modulus is always positive. So this function is positive. So x plus 2. This is also positive but minus of this is positive because this is negative. Negative into negative positive. Then we will solve this by using integration. Minus we will take outside. X integration is x square by 2. 2 integration is 2x. Limit is minus 5 to minus 2. Here x integration is x square by 2. 2 integration is 2x. Limit is minus 2 to 5. Then we will put the limits. And firstly we will put upper limit then minus lower limit. Here also upper limit minus lower limit. After solving this we will get answer 29. After solving this we will get answer 29. Now look at first question of exercise 7.11. This is we have to find out integration of cos square x. Limit is 0 to pi by 2. Limit is 0 to pi by 2. This is 0 to a. Look at fifth property. Here we will use fifth property. We will do most of questions by using fifth property. Fx dx limit is 0 to a. Then we can write this f of a minus x limit is same 0 to a. Now same here we will apply this property here. If it is cos square x, at the place of x we will put pi by 2 minus x. 0 to a is pi by 2. So x के place पर हम क्या put करेंगे pi by 2 minus x. So this is 0 to pi by 2 limit cos square pi by 2 minus x dx. And cos 90 minus theta is cos theta, sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So it is sin square x. Look at first and second. This is cos square x, integration of cos square x limit is 0 to pi by 2. This is sin square x limit is 0 to pi by 2. Adding first and second. After that we will add these. Adding first and second we will get I plus I. 2i. Left hand side is this is I, this is I. Then this is 2i. We can let this I. Okay. So this is 2i. Cos square x integration plus sin square x integration. Limit is same. So we can add these. If this is fx, this is gx function. So if limit is same we can add these. Cos square x plus sin square x. Limit is 0 to pi by 2. And we know that cos square plus sin square is 1. Cos square x plus sin square x is 1. So we will solve it. One integration is x. Limit is 0 to pi by 2. then we will put firstly pi by 2, then 0. So pi by 2 minus 0, it is pi by 2. It is value of 2i, but we have to find out value of I. So 2 will divide here, it is pi by 4. This is answer. So integration of cos square x limit 0 to pi by 2 is pi by 4. Now come to second question. This is related to same property. Root sin x upon root sin x plus root cos x, limit is 0 to pi by 2. So in this question we will use same property. Limit is 0 to a fx dx को हम लिख सकते हैं f of a minus x dx using this property, and you have to write down here which property you are using. F of a minus x dx, limit is 0 to a. Clear? So this is 0 to a fx dx is equal to f of a minus x dx, limit is 0 to a. So we can change x as a minus x. We can replace x by a minus x. So here a is pi by 2. So we can write here sin pi by 2 minus x. Here also sin pi by 2 minus x, cos pi by 2 minus x. जहाँ जहाँ पर x आ रहा है वहाँ पर pi by 2 minus x कर देंगे. And this will be sin pi by 2 minus x cos x. It is also cos x. It is also sin x because cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So it is 0 to pi by 2 root cos x plus root sin x को हम root sin x plus root cos x लिख सकते हैं. a plus b को b plus a लिख सकते हैं. So this one. So look at first and second. Adding first and second. Limit is same. I plus I 2i. Left hand side will be 2i. Right hand side we will add right hand side. Then we will get. Look at this. I plus I 2i. This is right hand side. We will add this. Limit is same. So we will add. Look at this denominator. Denominator is same. So LCM, we will take LCM. It is root cos x plus root sin x. Then we will get this. Root cos x plus root sin x cancel with this. So it is 1. 1 integration is x. Limit is 0 to pi by 2. After solving this, we will get value of I. Now come to 7th question. 7th is related to same property. X into 1 minus x raised to power n, limit is 0 to 1. So same property we will apply here. X के place पर हम क्या put कर देंगे 1 minus x. Here 1 minus x. Here also 1 minus x. So we will get 1 minus x. 1 cancel with 1. It is x raised to power n. X raised to, because it will be plus 1 minus 1 plus x raised to power n. 1 cancel with 1. So it is x raised to power n. X raised to power n multiply with both. So it is x raised to power n. X into x raised to power n will be x raised to power n plus 1. Then we will find integration of this. X raised to power n integration is x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Its integration is x raised to power n plus 2 upon n plus 2. Then we will put the limit 0 to 1. Firstly we will put upper limit, then minus lower limit. After solving we will get 1 upon n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 2. This is 0, this is 0, it will be 0. So after solving this, we will get 1 upon n plus 1 into n plus 2. This is answer of this question. Now look at 8th question. This is related to same property. Log of 1 plus tangent x, integration of log of 1 plus tangent x, and limit is 0 to pi by 4. So we will use same property here because limit is 0 to a. Then we will replace x by pi by 4 minus x. x को किससे replace करेंगे? pi by 4 minus x. So it is log of 1 plus tangent pi by 4 minus tangent x upon 1 plus tangent pi by 4 tangent x. It is tangent pi by 4 minus tangent x, tangent a minus b formula, tangent a minus tangent b upon 1 plus tangent a into tangent b. And tangent pi by 4 is 1. It is tangent x. 1 plus it is also 1. So 1 plus tangent x. So look at this. Limit is 0 to pi by 4. Log of, we will solve it. Then we will get 2 upon 1 plus tangent x. After taking LCM, we will get 2 upon 1 plus tangent x. So it is second. We will take this is second equation and this one is first. Adding first and second. I plus I 2i. First is log of 1 plus tangent x. Second is log of 2 upon 1 plus tangent x. We know that log m plus n. Log m plus log n. We can write as log m into n. log m plus log n को हम लिख सकते हैं log m into n. So this is log of 1 plus tangent x multiply 2 upon 1 plus tangent x. 1 plus tangent cancel with 1 plus tangent. So it is log 2. We have to find out integration of this. Log 2 is constant, so we will take outside. Log 2 into 1 we can write. 1 integration will be x. x लिमिट पुट कर देंगे, अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट, देन वी विल गेट पाई बाई 4 इंटू log 2, बट दिस इज वैल्यू ऑफ 2i. देन वी विल फाइंड i. इट इज log 2 पाई बाई 8. सो आंसर इज पाई बाई 8 log 2. सो आंसर इज i is equal to पाई बाई 8 log 2. दिस इज आंसर. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 9th question. This is related to same property, x into root 2 minus x dx. We have to find out integration of this function and limit is 0 to 2. Same here 0 to a. So we will replace x by 2 minus x. We will use same property. You have to write down using limit 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. You have to write down this. So x के प्लेस पर क्या पुट कर देंगे 2 minus x. So x is 2 minus x here. x के प्लेस पर क्या पुट कर देंगे 2 minus x. So we will get 2 minus x into root x. Then root x multiply with both. So it will be 2x raised to power 1 by 2 because it is 2 into root x minus x into x raised to power 1 by 2. So it will be x power 3 by 2. So we will take integration of these and then we will put limit. So 2 as it is, x raised to power 1 by 2 integration is x raised to power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1. Same here, x raised to power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1. So after solving, we will put upper limit then lower limit. So it is 4 by 3. 2 raised to power 3 by 2 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 root 2 because it is 2 power 1 into root 2. So it is 2 root 2. Minus 2 by 5, it is 2 square into 2 raised to power 1 by 2. So it is 4 root 2. It is 0 because 0 into something 0, it will be 0. So it is 8 root 2 upon 3 minus 8 root 2 upon 5. So we can take LCM here 15. So 40 root 2 minus 24 root 2. Answer is 16 root 2 upon 15. This is answer. Now come to question number 12. This is x upon 1 plus sin x. Integration of, we have to find out integration of this and limit is 0 to pi. Limit is 0 to pi. So here we will use same property 0 to a fx dx. Limit is 0 to a. Then we will replace x by a minus x. Limit is 0 to a. It is 0 to pi. x के प्लेस पर हम पुट कर देंगे pi minus x. It is 1 plus sin pi minus x. So pi minus x as it is 1 upon 1 plus sin pi minus x. It is in second quadrant and in second quadrant sign is positive. So it is plus and 180 का यूज कर रहे हैं, pi का यूज कर रहे हैं, it will be sin x. So it is 1 plus sin x. So look at this. It is pi minus x upon 1 plus sin x dx. So we can separate these. एक बार pi को इससे डिवाइड कर दो, एक बार x को रिप्लेस, x को अलग कर दो, x upon 1 plus sin x. Pi upon 1 plus sin x and x upon 1 plus sin x. Now look at this part. This is integration of x 1 plus sin x. Limit is 0 to pi. This is same as question. Look at question. This is same as question. So we can write this as I because we have taken this is I. Let this is equal to I. So this we can take I. So I will go in left hand side. It will be plus. So I plus I 2I. What is left here? Pi into 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus sin x. Limit is 0 to pi. So we will find integration of this. So rationalize it and solve it. रैशनलाइज करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 1 माइनस साइन एक्स अपॉन 1 प्लस 1 माइनस साइन मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और डिवाइड करेंगे. सो इट विल बी 1 माइनस साइन अपॉन 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर बिकॉज इट इज a प्लस बी इंटू a माइनस बी. इट इज a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. सो इट इज 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर एक्स. 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर एक्स इज कोस स्क्वायर एक्स. सो पाई कांस्टेंट है, बाहर रहेगा. लिमिट इज 0 टू पाई एंड वी विल सॉल्व इट. वी कैन सेपरेट दिस 1 अपॉन कोस स्क्वायर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. साइन अपॉन 1 अपॉन कोस स्क्वायर को हम लिख सकते हैं सेकेंड स्क्वायर एंड साइन अपॉन कोस इंटू कोस. सो 1 साइन अपॉन कोस इज tangent, and 1 upon cos is secant. So it is secant square x and it is secant x tangent x. So this one secant square x minus secant x tangent x. Integration of secant square x tangent x and secant x tangent x integration is secant x. Then we will put limit, upper limit minus lower limit. Then answer will be 2i is equal to 2 pi. This is value of 2i. Then I will be pi. So answer is pi. Now come to 13th question. This is related to property minus a to a. So look at this limit when fx is equal to 0, if limit is minus a to a, then this is last property, sin raised to power 7x dx. If limit is minus a to a, we have to check this is even function or odd function. Fx is even or odd. So here sin 7x, if we want to check that this is even or odd, we will, this is function fx is equal to sin raised to power 7x. We will find f of minus x. F of minus x will be sin raised to power 7 of minus x. It is sin of minus x whole raised to power 7. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So it is minus sin x raised to power 7. 7 is odd, so it is minus. So this is fx, so minus fx. So if fx is equal to minus fx, then it is odd function. अगर f of minus x minus fx के इक्वल आ जाता है तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं, odd function. If it is odd, then limit sin raised to power 7x integration limit minus pi by 2 pi by 2, it is 0, because we know that if it is odd function, then integration of this is equal to 0 according to last property. Now come to question number 20. This is x cube plus x cos x plus tangent raised to power 5x plus 1. Limit is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this is same, we will use here same property, minus a to a, this function. But look at this. We will check that this is odd function or even function. Firstly, we will check this is odd function or even function. So if we will take f of minus x, so 1 will be, if we will take this is fx, then it is plus 1, this is constant, so it will be always positive. So we can take this as another one and this is another function and this is another function. We can separate these, x cube plus x cos x plus tangent raised to power 5x dx, and 1 को अलग ले लो, 1 dx integration of 1, limit is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. We can find its integration. 1 integration is x, limit is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. But look at this function, this is fx. Fx is equal to x raised to power 3 plus x cos x plus tangent 5x. If we will take f of minus x, it will be minus x cube minus of x cos of minus x plus tangent raised to power 5 of minus x. So it will be minus x cube, cos of minus theta is cos theta, so it is minus x cos x, and tangent minus x is minus tangent x whole power 5, it is also negative. So look at this, we can take minus common, so it is x cube plus x cos x plus tangent raised to power 5x, and this is fx, so we can write this is minus of fx. So here f of minus x is minus fx, this is odd function, this is odd function. So if it is odd function, then this value is 0. Integration of this is 0 when limit is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now look at question number 15. Limit is 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x upon 1 plus sin x cos x. Here is limit 0 to a, 0 to pi by 2. So we will use property, same property we have used in most of questions, 0 to a fx dx. It will be f of a minus x dx, limit is 0 to a. So x के प्लेस पर हम लिख देंगे a minus x. Here a is pi by 2, so we will write x is pi by 2 minus x. Here also pi by 2 minus x. Then we will get in denominator also sin of pi by 2 minus x, cos of pi by 2 minus x. So it is sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x, cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Here 1 plus sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x, cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. So look at denominator of these first and second same. So we can add these. Limit is same, so we can add this. After adding first and second, we will get this. LCM is same, 1 plus sin x cos x. It is sin x minus cos x. It is cos x minus sin x. So sin cancel with sin, cos cancel with cos. So it is 0. 0 integration is 0. So this is answer. So I value is 0 here. Now come to 16th question. This is log of 1 plus cos x. Integration, we have to find out integration of log of 1 plus cos x, and limit is 0 to pi. Here we will use same property, 0 to a. If limit is 0 to a fx dx, integration of fx, then we will replace x by a minus x. We will use same property, fifth property here. So x के place पर यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा, pi minus x. So limit is 0 to pi. Log of 1 minus cos 1 plus cos pi minus x is, in second quadrant cos is negative, so negative sign will be here. Cos of pi, we are using pi here, so function will not change, it is cos also. So cos x. Adding first and second, इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, i plus i 2i. Log of 1 plus cos x dx and log of 1 minus cos x dx, and limit is same. After adding log of 1 plus cos plus log of 1 minus cos, then it is log m plus log n. Log m plus, so we can write is log mn. So it is log of 1 plus cos into 1 minus cos dx. 1 plus cos into 1 minus cos, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, and 1 minus cos square is sin square x. So it is log of sin square x dx. 2i is equal to this. 2i is equal to log of sin square x dx. This is log of 1 minus cos square x को हम लिख सकते हैं log of sin square x. Now it is log m square. आपको पता है log m raised to power n क्या होता है, n log m. So same here, it is whole power 2. पावर आगे आ जाएगी, it is 2 log sin x. 2i is equal to 2 into log sin x. Integration of log sin x, limit is 0 to pi. 2 cancel with 2. 2i is equal to double of this, so I is equal to log sin x integration, limit is 0 to pi. Here we will use one more property, second last property. In that pi को अगर हम 2 से multiply करें, 2 से divide करें, it is 2 pi by 2. Suppose this is 2, this is a, 2a. Then we will use this property here. Limit is 0 to 2a. Integration of fx, limit is 0 to 2a को हम लिख सकते हैं double of 0 to a fx dx if 2a minus x, f of 2a minus x is equal to fx. अगर f of 2a minus x किसके इक्वल है, fx के इक्वल, तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं इसको, double of 0 to a. Here limit is 0 to 2a, a रह जाएगा, 2 यहाँ, 2 0 to a. So कैसे करेंगे इसको, limit is 0 to pi by 2, 0 to 2 pi by 2. x के प्लेस पर अगर हम लिख दें log of sin 2 pi by 2 minus x. At the place of x, 2 pi by 2 minus x, because f of 2a minus x, 2a minus means 2 pi by 2 minus x. So log, it is sin pi minus x, and log sin pi minus x is log sin x, because in second quadrant sin is positive. Sin 180 minus theta is sin theta, so it is log sin x. Clear? So this is same as fx. So f of 2a minus x is equal to fx, then we can use this property. So we can write it 2 into log of integration of log sin x, limit is 0 to pi by 2, 0 to a. This is a, this is 2a. So 2 आगे आ जाएगा, limit is 0 to pi by 2. And this is same as question. Log sin x. Log sin x को हम क्या ले लेंगे, I1. This one is I1. We have to find out integration of value of I, but we will take this is I1. So इसको हम अलग से सॉल्व करके इसमें पुट करेंगे. Log of sin x, limit is 0 to pi by 2. This is same as example. Example is given in your book. Same example. We will solve it. Log of sin x dx. अगर it is limit is 0 to a. So we will use one property here. Same property. Log of integration of fx dx. लिमिट इज 0 टू a को हम लिख सकते हैं f ऑफ a माइनस एक्स डी एक्स, लिमिट इज 0 टू a. दिस फिफ्थ प्रॉपर्टी वी हैव यूज्ड इन मैनी क्वेश्चंस. log ऑफ साइन x के प्लेस पर पुट कर देंगे पाई बाई टू माइनस एक्स. log of sin pi by 2 minus x. So log sin 90 minus theta, it is cos theta. So it is log of cos x. Limit is same. So adding third and adding fourth and fifth, इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. i1 plus i1 2i1, इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. log of sin x plus log of cos x. जैसे हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में किया, सेकंड में किया, सेम इस क्वेश्चन में भी क्या करेंगे, ऐड. So it will be log of sin x plus log of cos x dx. Limit is same. Log of sin plus log of cos. Log m plus log n. Log m into n. So it is log of sin x into cos x. If we will multiply by 2 and divide by 2, then it will be sin 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x upon 2. It is sin 2x upon 2. Then we will separate these. Log m upon n को हम लिख सकते हैं log m minus log n. So look at this, log sin 2x minus log 2. Integration is of these, limit is 0 to pi by 2. We can separate these. Log 2 is constant, so we will take outside. One integration is x, limit is 0 to pi by 2. This is log sin 2x. Integration of this, we have to find out integration of this and limit is 0 to pi by 2. अगर हम 2x को t let करें, suppose 2x as t. So derivative of this is 2 and 2 dx is equal to dt. That means dx is equal to dt upon 2. dx will be dt upon 2. Clear? So it is log sin t dt upon 2. But we will change the limit also, because if x is 0 here, then t will be 0. But if x is pi by 2, if x is pi by 2, it is 2 into pi by 2. So t will be pi. So it is 0 to pi log sin t dt. Minus log 2 as it is, we will put limit in this, pi by 2 minus 0. It is pi by 2 log 2. So look at this. This is half of limit is 0 to pi log sin t dt. Again we will put here that property, last one property, second last property. So log sin t, here we will use same second last property. Log sin t limit is 0 to pi. Pi को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 into pi by 2. So it is 2a. If f of 2a minus x, if f of 2a minus x is equal to fx, then we can write 0 to 2a fx dx as double of 0 to a fx dx. So same here, we will use same property here. If we will put at the place of t, 2 pi by 2 minus t, 2 pi by 2 minus t, it will be same log sin t. Then we can write it, 2 आगे आ जाएगा, लिमिट इज 0 टू पाई बाई 2, 2a, so it is 0 to a log sin t. This part is as it is. 2 cancel with 2, so log sin x dx, limit is 0 to pi by 2 minus pi by 2 log 2. So this is same as I1. यहीं से हमने क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट किया था. This is I1. We have taken this is I1. So we can write it I1. Look at this. I1 is log of sin x, limit is 0 to pi by 2. हमने इसको I1 लिया था, अगेन वहीं पर पहुंच गए हम. इट इज 2I1 और ये क्या है आपका I1 माइनस पाई बाई 2 log 2. I1 will go in left hand side. It is 2I1 minus I1 minus pi by 2 log 2. So I1 value is this. We will put this I1 value in equation 3 because I was 2I1 there. Question was this. So we will put at the place of I1 this minus pi by 2 log 2. 2 cancel with 2. Answer is this. So I is equal to minus pi log 2.